heard something yesterday called divided righteousness, and I'm going to run a video about it, and I want to know what you guys think of it. Because I was shown yesterday in the Bible where Jesus didn't come here to save. Jesus didn't come out to the Gentiles. Jesus came here to talk to his people, the Jews, and they turned their backs on him. And then the Apostle Paul was the one that Jesus appointed to deal with us, the Gentiles. Are you guys familiar with this? Because I read it for myself yesterday. I'd never seen it before. I'd never realized that the red letters that Jesus spoke, that they always tell us to read, because they're the most important, don't even apply to us. He was talking to his people, the Jews, the same people that turned their backs on him. It gave me pause, because this is a whole radical new idea. But it gave me some solace realizing that all we need to do is believe, know that Jesus Christ came to earth as a mortal, died on a cross for our sins, and was resurrected. I know all those things. I know those for a fact. In my lifetime, I've been able to meet one of the guys that was actually at the Vatican who videoed, I've told you this before too, who videoed the Shroud of Turin. And it obviously and clearly shows a man that was beaten brutally with cat of nines and whips and such. His entire impression like a negative from a film coming through that cloth. So I know for a fact that Jesus came, died, and was resurrected in 3 days. And for the Gentiles, we actually have an easier path, for the most part, than the Jews did, because they had a chance, and they still turned their back on Jesus. Those are the people claiming to be the Israelites living in Israel right now. It's a lie. At any rate.